for different parts of Earth.
If you're going around the Earth, around the equator, what do you get to see? It's just what's below you, which is going to be what? The equator. So an inclination of the orbit at, say, 56 degrees covers almost all of the population of the Earth.
A polar orbit satellite has the ability to view the entire Earth in a few orbital rotations. As the Earth slowly rotates below, the satellite keeps sweeping overhead, allowing the entire Earth to be observed in a short period of time. If the mission is for espionage or observation, sun-synchronous orbits allow satellites to pass over the same point on Earth at the same time every day. They shift 1 degree each Earth day to stay in sync with the sun at a given location. If constant communication is necessary, geosynchronous satellites are positioned far away from Earth so that entire continents are within their view.
It matches the rotation of the Earth and appears to hover in the sky. It's a very useful trait of that orbit because you can then stay constantly in radio or television touch with the spot on the ground below.
Earth orbit is the natural extension of Earth's occupation in space. And if future plans pan out, the industrialization of the edge of space will happen in the near future. It was only 40 years ago John Glenn entered Earth orbit. What the next 50 or 100 years holds for the future of Earth orbit is as exciting as perhaps a walk on the moon once was to an older generation. Bigelow Aerospace has already reached a major milestone by launching their Genesis 1 and 2 pods into orbit. But future spacecraft will be ready for private citizens.
Nobody's done this before. I mean, people have gone to space, but what we're trying to do is make it available.
It's called Sundancer, a 300 cubic meter inhabitable space that will have the capacity to support up to 3 human lives indefinitely.
We have to add a lot of life support equipment to make sure that the environment is sustainable for a crew of 3. That goes into anything from the air concentration system, where oxygen has to be delivered, CO2 has to get removed, all the way through more rigorous thermal control and humidity control.
One Sundancer spacecraft offers more space than is currently available on the entire International Space Station. Eventually, multiple pods will be connected together, like Tinker Toys, for